Let's get our blood flowing. Come back down and go ahead and lean into the right. Just a stretch. Back to the middle, up tall, back down to the left. Everybody ready? Exercise. Squeeze. 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 Let's go for a minute out. Work. All rows. Same as the Victor flies, except we're starting here and we're going to pull. Make sure you squeeze in the back. Activate. Squeeze. Everybody ready? 15. Get over rows. Exercise. Exercise. If you can't go all the way back with balance, you can just step straight back. But either way, make it work.